Imagine for a moment a world where the sun shines not just on our faces but on our hearts. A world where joy isn't a fleeting flicker in the eyes of others, but a steady flame within, warming everything around us. This, my friends, is the world of happy hearts. Now allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nima, your guide in this journey towards crafting genuine happiness. Today, we're not using glitter or glue guns. Instead, we're crafting something far more precious, our own happiness. We're going on a journey where we discover the beauty of self-acceptance, the warmth of kindness, and the magic of a heart that dances to its own beat. So join me as we venture into this world, a world where we're not just crafting with our hands but with our hearts. Today we're not crafting with glitter or glue guns, we're crafting something far more precious, genuine happiness. We spend so much time dressing up our lives for applause, chasing fleeting validation in likes and comments. This statement rings so true in our world today. We've become skilled mask makers, concealing our authentic selves beneath layers of pretense, each mask more intricate than the last. We hide our true colors, replacing them with shades that we believe are more acceptable, more likable. We've become actors in our own lives, perfecting roles we never auditioned for. We compare ourselves to others, desperately seeking validation in a sea of faces just as lost as we are. Each like, each comment, each share becomes a measure of our worth. But in this race for validation, we often forget who we were before the world told us who we should be. Yet, beneath these masks, beneath the costumes and the filters, there's a heart yearning for something more, a heart longing to shed its disguise and embrace the beautiful, unique individual it truly is. True happiness, the kind that warms you from the inside out, doesn't live in the approval of others. It's not found in the fleeting gratification of likes, comments, or applause. No, genuine happiness is a seed that grows within us, nurtured in the fertile ground of self-acceptance, kindness, and compassion. It's about acknowledging our true selves, our quirks, our flaws, and our strengths, and embracing them wholeheartedly. Think about it. Those moments when we are our most authentic selves, aren't they the ones that bring us the deepest joy? When we laugh freely, when we express our true thoughts, when we offer kindness without expectation, isn't that when we feel most alive, most connected, most happy? So let's nurture these seeds of genuine happiness. Let's cultivate self-love and acceptance, watering them with kindness and compassion. It's about shedding the masks, embracing our quirks and flaws, and dancing to the beat of our own beautiful hearts. So, today, let's make a pact. Let's build a world where happy hearts are the hottest trend. Imagine a world where we celebrate not the impeccable, but the beautifully imperfect, where we take off the masks of pretense and let our authentic selves shine. Let's create a world where we don't chase likes and comments, but instead spread joy because it warms our hearts and makes the world a little brighter. We should strive to be more accepting of ourselves, embracing our quirks and flaws, and allow our hearts to dance to their own unique rhythm. Let's cultivate a world where kindness is currency and compassion is the universal language, where every genuine smile, every unfiltered laughter lights up the world a little more. Remember, true happiness starts within. It starts with you. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to DIY Happy Hearts, and share this video with someone who needs a reminder to shine their own light.